Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we're making something called a sugar cookie caramel bar, and it's on the healthier side. So this is kind of a take on the Twix bar recipe that was going around a number of years ago. It's just a healthier Twix version, and I kind of took that recipe and I changed it up a little bit to give me more of a sugar cookie kind of vibe. So I'm using almond butter instead of peanut butter. I'm using almond extract, and we're using white chocolate for the topping, as well as some festive sprinkles. Now, this is gonna give you that sugar cookie vibe. If you want to use peanut butter instead of almond butter, you can do that. If you wanna use darker chocolate instead of white chocolate, you can do that. But again, I'm going for a sugar cookie vibe, and those changes really give you that kind of sugar cookie kind of feeling when you're eating this caramel bar. They're really good. They're really easy to make. It's just some steps that you need to do, but they're very simple steps. It can feed a crowd, really. I think you're gonna get, maybe 15 to 18 bars, something like that. And you can even make them smaller, but they're so delicious. They're really, really delicious. I love making a healthier caramel with nut butters and maple syrup. It's so good, and I think it's something you guys are really gonna love, and I think it's something your guests are really gonna love, and also a good gift option as well. So why don't we learn how to make these really delicious sugar cookie caramel bars.
In a medium to large bowl, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil that I've melted and also cooled. You can also use butter. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can sweeten it how you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I also like to add just a dash of cinnamon. And using a spatula, you can also use a spoon, whatever you like. Just going to mix everything until all of the dry ingredients are well hydrated. And our crust is ready. We're just going to add it to our 8x8 baking pan. Spread it out evenly before you flatten it out, and then using your spatula, or you can even use your hand, you're just gonna press it down to flatten it. And we're gonna bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until it's lightly golden brown. Let's make the caramel while the crust is cooling. We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of almond butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, again sweeten how you like, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and that's going to give it kind of that little sugar cookie kind of vibe. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to turn the heat on to a medium-low, and we're just going to cook this until everything is nicely melted and incorporated. That looks nice and smooth. We're going to grab our cooled crust. You can see how the edges are just slightly golden brown. That's what we want. And we're going to add our caramel. We're going to refrigerate this for about an hour. And we're going to melt some chocolate. This is 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips. I find that the white chocolate really does give it more of a sugar cookie kind of taste, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to melt this on a double boiler. You could do this in a microwave in increments as well. We're going to grab our chilled caramel bars, and we're going to add our white chocolate. And just spread it around. You don't even need a tool here. And lastly, we're going to need some sprinkles. Because we're in the festive season, I'm going to add some Christmas sprinkles. You can add whatever you like. And we're going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Enjoy our sugar cookie caramel bars. At about 4 grams of protein per slice and 3 grams of fiber per slice, these really do taste like a sugar cookie. Enjoy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. And don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.